Hi, welcome to Karaoke Moments. Today I'm shooting at the top of Cabot Tower in Bristol City. This is in Brandon Hill Park in the Bristol City. And as you can see, it's a tower that was built here in Bristol. So welcome as part of our adventures and part of living. As you remember, Karaoke Moment is about life adventures, whereby we have a tagline that we say, life is a journey, you walk in it. So today I'm visiting the city of Bristol, and I decided to see one of the historic buildings which carry a lot of history here in England. This is Cabot Tower. It was built in the around 1890 or 19th century. It was to commemorate one British, John Cabot, who had sailed from Bristol City here all the way to Canada, and he ended up conquering Canada. As we know in history, there was a lot of conquering towns and cities, and so this building, Cabot Tower, was built in honor of that man, John Cabot, to commemorate that conquering. So it's a beautiful tower. It's a tall tower with a flight of stairs, and very beautiful. As you can see now, from the rooftop of it, I could give you an aerial view of the town itself. So this is the tower. This is where I am. This is the rooftop of it, and I could show you the you can see some ship there docked at the bay. Yeah, and then we have some inscriptions of the artworks which are on this wall. We can see the miles, the writings of what they did, and from which area to which. Oh gosh, yeah, so that's the works. We come round, and I'll be able to take you down through the stairs. People normally visit here just to enjoy the commemoration part of it as we go around. Alright, so I'm now going to take you down the stairs. I think the wind will be less, it won't be as much as it is. So yeah, this is the way the stairs are. I'm just trying to show you. Very spiral, very tiny. That's the stairs. So I'm going to concentrate a little bit as I walk. You can see some writings on the wall, I think from the visitors who have. You know how some people, when you visit, you write on the walls to be known you are there. So we have inscriptions on the wall. See the stairs? I'm telling you, they're very spiral and tiny. That is why I've got to be careful, walk slowly, and there are many. There are many because it's a tower, it's a tall building. You're going to see once I reach downstairs, I'm going to take a photo. And it has an upstairs. Like now, where I was like an upstairs. So we come to the first floor part of it. If you look at it, you can tell it's not as high as it was there before, because now this is like halfway. Yeah, that's a Bristol City. So I'm going down. I'm like halfway now. That's the door. The door is literally bars. It's very, very strong. You can see it's an old type of a door. So I've got to pull it. And that's the stairs. You can see from here, I think it's better view. So those are the stairs. That's the wall, the spiral wall, kind of spiral stairs rather. The wall is round. But the stairs, okay, I need to be careful. We are going down the stairs now. Step by step. Actually, when people meet here at the stairs, most of the time one has to go down because it's very narrow. It's hard for two people even to fit. You can't even tell when you're going to reach. Just keep on going. But all I know is it's spiral. Yeah, you can't even rush. Yeah. Keep going. Oh goodness. Okay. Yeah, seems longer. There are some people behind me. Imagine they have to keep on following me, and there's nothing much I can do because I can't rush. It's not like on the highway where you can overtake each other. There's some light. I think there's hope. Yay, finally. Finally I finished. Yeah. So yeah, that's the entrance, and from our end now it's an exit. Oh, finally.
Your bags, the zipper's a little bit open. Would you like me to close
Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's the end of the park. I mean, this is not the park. I just want to show you the height of the building. Let me show you from far. I'm under a tree, but I'm going to try. I'm just trying. I can't even. I've got to go very far for you to be able to see. Anyway, as I said, it's a park. You can see people are just enjoying, having fun. I think someone is even dancing and having music somewhere at the end. Yeah, just dancing and having fun. So, yeah, that's the building. That's the Cabot Tower from the base of it. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed.